Yeah, g'day. This is Chris from Down Under, the Aussie tiler that's been a professional for 35 years. G'day mate, how are you? This is a bathroom I just turned the camera around. This is a bathroom I did 3 weeks ago. It's the ensuite. Oh shit. In the mirror. Yeah, this is an ensuite I did 3 weeks ago. I'm back here now doing the bathroom, which I'll go into next. But see how the drainage works, eh? Absolutely beautiful. No puddles, no nothing. But yeah, they are very happy, of course, with the end result. So this is the bathroom I'm doing now in the same house. I just showed you the ensuite. What I would like you to do is subscribe to my channel, and you'll be seeing a lot of this. I'm bringing out a video every three days, so you'll learn heaps. I'm just in the process of sealing. You must seal the walls and floor before you stick any tiles up or do any waterproofing. So once I've given it all the once over with this primer sealer, I'll then waterproof it. The whole bathroom gets done floor to ceiling, same tiles as I used in the ensuite. I'll carry on with this and come back to you shortly.